Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Cardano this morning. Hope you're having a great start of the weekend, by the way. And yeah, I just wanted to cover Cardano here at the end of the year. The markets right now are not moving that much, so I just wanted to cover some bigger cryptos, give you my thoughts on them. These are also a little bit more long-term analysis. Usually it's just for the next couple of days. For Cardano, I think it's going to be for a bit longer, maybe the next weeks. I'm not sure. It depends a bit on the markets. I mean, right now the markets are quite volatile. Bitcoin is quite bearish. Obviously, the ETF approval or rejection, just the ETF deadline, is coming up. So that's going to provide a lot of volatility. So it's difficult to analyze right now. But I do have a general sense of what I expect from Cardano. So I wanted to cover Cardano because Cardano, obviously, or I think most of you know, because most of you actually do follow Cardano and do like the project to a certain extent, at least. But Cardano has been doing fine. I mean, the total value locked has grown immensely. I mean, very, very different than Matic, which I just covered. But no, the total value locked in the last, basically since the bullish market circumstances started again, has risen from about 185 to over 500 million usually. So that's an increase of about, let's do some quick maths. That's an increase of more than 150%, right? It's not 200%, if I'm not mistaken. Well, it's almost 200%, but it's more than 150. There's nothing wrong about that. But no, fundamentally, Cardano is doing great. So ADA is doing fine as well. But if we look at the technicals for ADA, I mean, you can clearly see it on the chart, all right? You don't need to be a technical analyst for this. We're just moving sideways. The EMAs right here are practically flat. So that just technically means that the average price is the same, which you can also see reflected in the price. And then there's this strong support resistance level here at 66 cents, which is preventing us from going up to 75 cents. And then there's this strong support level, which, to be honest, I mean, the support for Matic, for Cardano, excuse me, is way stronger than the resistance. I mean, we haven't even touched this level, and we might never, or we might not soon, but between 55 and 50 cents, there's so much support in the terms of a psychological support level, technical support. It's there. So just in general, technically, I am bullish on Cardano only for that reason. But right now, if we're being objective, the technical structure is moving sideways. And you can also see that with the open interest. I mean, we had a bit of bullish momentum on Thursday, tested the resistance, but in the end, the open interest was, if we look at the open interest the last time, the open interest on the 14th of December was around 330 million. Thursday it was 320 million, so it wasn't high enough to break out. But right now, the big question is what's next. And honestly, I mean, I think right now, Cardano is quite correlated to Bitcoin, historically at least. So what I expect is that Cardano will just follow Bitcoin. I'm bearish on Bitcoin, or at least I think Bitcoin will fall down a little bit lower. And that also seems to be the case for Cardano. I mean, we just hit the top of this consolidation range. So let's drop down to the bottom right now. So that's what I expect. We still have some support right here at around 57 cents. And then the main support level is from 55 cents. At this moment, because I expect some more bearish momentum before the ETF deadline, I'm going to say we'll drop down lower towards 50 cents as well. But I do think this entire support level between 55 and 50 cents will hold. Will provide support, will slowly but surely get us back to the top of the range right here at 67 cents. And then at some point of time, I expect that to break. I think a bullish breakout is more likely out of this range than a bearish breakout. But I'll keep you updated on that when it gets there, of course. For now, those are my thoughts. So if you want to know when I'm trading Cardano, check out my Signal group and my premium group. Those will be down in the description. Check those out if you're interested in that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.